Hey everybody, welcome to MTX. Today we have a 2025 Big Tex 7x14 16 LP Low Pro. Payload capacity is 13,000 pounds. Its GVWR is 17,500 pounds. As you can see, of course, it's a dump trailer. It's packed full of features. It's an amazing trailer for the amazing price point it's at. Let's go deeper into it. As you can see in the front, you got the Demco Easy Latch coupler, the best coupler in the market. You have the safety chains. It's operated on an I-beam frame. This is a side wind drop leg jack that's 12,000 pounds. As you can see, it has a trickle charger and it has a storage. And you can see that's operated on a scissor lift. And right there you have the tarp. And right there you can see the LED light. That's also on the other side as well. You got the 16 LP logo. And then right there you got a spare tire mount. Always make sure you have one. You also have your fenders and you have your wheels. And then you can see the dump that's right there. It also has 4 D-rings. You can see the barn door and the pull-out ramps. This trailer also has a 7-gauge floor and 10-gauge walls too. It's 24-inch tall sides. This is definitely a Big Tex staple. If you want to buy this trailer, please call or text the number down below or visit our website at www.mtxtrailer.com. We offer financing for every single one of these trailers here, so you can also get financing on this one too. Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to see you on the lot. Thank you.